Hello and welcome. And I'm really excited that you're here. I've got something very special to share with you today. I'm Joy Fay and I'm an artist and teacher. And this year, in September 2023, I'm holding an abstract art retreat here in Frigliana in southern Spain, which isn't very far away from Malaga, which is the birthplace of Picasso. So I'm really excited to tell you about this, what we're going to do. What a fantastic way to have an art holiday to explore all the wonderful things about abstract art. So let me take you on a tour. I'm going to show you where we're going to have the retreat, the surroundings, and tell you more about it. So here we are, the Abstract Art Retreat in Spain. And it's in a beautiful villa called the Villa Sunshine, which is a wonderful name. They hold a lot of great retreats here. It's the most spectacular villa with lots of space and the most unbelievable views. You can see, all the olive trees and the mango trees and all the mountains, and you can see the sea, and it's absolutely amazing. So we have some beautiful spaces for painting in and lots of shade because it's going to be quite hot in September, and we're going to cover a lot of interesting things in the whole retreat. We're going to have 5 days of art instruction where I'll be giving you demonstrations and one-to-one guidance. There'll be 7 nights in the air-conditioned villa. Lots of healthy meals from the grown vegetables in the garden and all your materials that you'll need, everything provided. We're also going to have an excursion to Malaga, including going into the Picasso Museum and the Pompidou Centre of Modern Art. You can do some morning yoga, and there's lots of optional extras, so loads of things going on. And the villa isn't very far away from the village of Frigliana. And Frigliana was actually voted the second prettiest village in Spain. So it's beautiful to go and have a look around and see the shops and the different wonderful buildings. And, the villa is all air conditioned. And if you get too hot outside, you can always go inside. And there's some beautiful places to sit and relax or to carry on your painting. And a lot of lovely places where we can get together to have our meals in different places in the grounds. So wherever you look, there's beautiful, lovely views and inspiration for your painting. So it's going to be a fantastic week. What an amazing place, isn't it? A fantastic place to express yourself, really get into your creativity and create some amazing art. So if you'd like some more information, check out more of the details, then all the information is in the description below. And I look forward to seeing you here in Spain and having the most wonderful week of abstract painting. So if you like this video, do give me the thumbs up. And if you know anyone who you think would be interested in this great abstract art retreat here in Spain, then it would be great if you could share this video. That would be fantastic. And if you've got any questions, pop them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. So many thanks for watching. Take care. Bye for now.